Mike! Woo! There's somebody. He's just waiting for me.
Did we decide that gunshots count or not?
No.
They don't?
No.
Whoa!
We're actually just throwing this.
No, they do.
Gosh, I'm so dumb. I could have shot you. I'm such an idiot.
Trevor just went back.
Shoot! Jordan's in the middle! Jordan's coming this way!
I'm pretty sure I shot before you hit me.
Jordan.
Where's Craig at?
Craig's right there.
Tony's an idiot, that's what happened. I should have. Oh, gosh. That's Jordan. Go.
Hey, nice. Watch it.
Josh is in the back.
That's right.
Gotcha, Nick.
Yeah, I got a lucky hit on Mike, but I hit Jordan. Yeah, Josh.
Did I hit you on that, Kyle?
The luckiest. I think it curved. I don't know how you
did
did that. I mean, that was like a 50-foot shot.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, I think you got me too.
Go back. Go, 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 go.
Go that way. Someone's coming back. Someone's coming back. Same time, Mike. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Gotcha, Rick.
Dang it, that was confusion on who's fault.
Sorry, not my fault.
You hit me? I know.
I don't know. I have no idea.
I felt it, but I don't know if I hit you.
Yeah, then it hit you. Mike's in the back. Mike's in the back.
Well, here, I felt it on my chest, Trevor.
Trevor.
Ah!
Jordan, I got you. Whoa! Dang it, Mike.
Jump over there.
I can't. Mike is shooting from that side. Sucker! Was that you that's empty?
Watch out, Rick's on the left. Got him.
Nice.
I didn't dare, I don't know. They're coming around that corner.
Go this way, Derek. Go this way, go.
Jordan's right there.
Oh, shoot! I didn't realize that was different.
Don't stick your gun around the corner.
How we doing? How we doing? Anybody on the left?
No, no one on the left. Rick, sorry, Nick just ran Mike. Mike's in the spawn point.
I was going to get out and get hit against that.
Thank you, Rick. That was Craig. Nick just ran out. Mike's still in there.
It was just in the hallway.
We got Mike in the.
He's just gonna get killed by it. You guys saw that?
Really?
Well, because they drop it out, you fall back a little bit and see if you can get you come out.
Eight and 6, that's not very good. We won though. 31, no, 36 to 24.